How you guys doing? It's Mike, MC Raps over here. Monday. You know, trying to get it. So I'm gonna walk you guys through a few different projects. Busy week this week. So we're doing a partial rack for a gentleman out in Pearsall, Texas. He does a lot of funeral processions for well, you guys know what I'm saying. You know, when you follow everybody. But anyway, so we did some designs for the military. So this is one side. John over here is working the other side. So yeah, this one side is looking like pretty dope. And then we're working on a few other projects. Got a brand new Mercedes from Mercedes-Benz. Gonna do her in a satin black. We got the Maserati. We're doing that in matte black. And then they put the van. Then we're doing a full wrap on this van graphic design. Veronica's working on the design as we speak. So this is some of the stuff that we got going on this week at the shop. And then finishing up, where's that truck at? Somewhere over there. There it is. You know, Monday, long weekend, you know how it is. But I appreciate you guys. And yeah, this is what John's working on right now. So yeah, they're going to be really pumped. So I'm working on a couple other designs on a mobile bar trailer, a couple other things. So if you guys stay tuned, if you guys need anything, you know where we're at. MC Raps, there's the phone number. We appreciate you guys and God bless.